Hi, I'm Angela, and this is infrared is a electromagnetic energy. It's according to frequency and wavelength. Although all EM waves travel at the speed of light, they do so at a wide range of frequency. And so you see here, the shorter wavelengths are the higher frequency, and then here, the longer ones are the lower frequency of lower energy. You see here, we have the different types of EM, and so we have the infrared. Now, the infrared is a particular wavelength. It is a form of light that we cannot see with our eyes, but we can also feel it on our skin as heat. Everything in the universe that is warm give out light. So let's look at our sun. Our sun is 5,778 kelvins. And so you see here that it's way above our infrared. But being human, we're 310 Kelvin, which will be in this range. Now you see from 0.78 to 1 mm, you see that we're in the infrared. We have the near and with the far. We are longer than the visual light. Now there's three telescopes, the satellite, the observatory, and the one that is on a plane called Sophia. Now the telescope, the infrared telescope has the component as the visual light telescope, which combination of lens and mirror that gather radiation into the detectors, which gives data which is translated by the computer to give us useful information. Now these are the three men that discovered. Bishop Ussher calculated the date of creation, and then James Hutton first recognized the real age of the Earth, and William Herschel, he discovered the planet Uranus that described that the different colors filter. So today, these will be considered the invisible rays will be called infrared radiation. These are my reference. Thank you.